Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can mirror your iPhone screen to your Mac operating system. So let's get started and let's see how we can do it. So first of all, you need to make sure that your iPhone and your MacBook is on the same Wi-Fi network. So for example, when I click on my MacBook Wi-Fi icon, I'm connected to this Wi-Fi network, and same Wi-Fi network I'm also using on my iPhone, right? So both the devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Once you have made that sure, you can click on the system settings on the dock, or you can also open the system settings by clicking on the Apple logo and then click on system settings here. Under system settings, you need to click on general and then select airdrop and hands off. Here you will see this third section which says AirPlay receiver. By default it's disabled, so you need to enable it first by toggling this toggle button, and then under allow AirPlay for, you need to select everyone. By default it can be current user or anyone on the same network also. I'm going to choose everyone here. So once you have enabled the AirPlay receiver and you have selected everyone here for allow AirPlay for, and also you have made sure that your MacBook and your iPhone is connected to the same network, then you just need to go to your iPhone, then just swipe from the top right corner to the bottom where you will see this kind of window. Here you will also see an option for the screen mirroring. So this is the option for screen mirroring. So I'm going to just click on this screen mirroring, and then you will see the list of all the devices. In my case, I can see my MacBook Pro, and right now you can see I'm doing the screen mirroring, right? So you just need to click on that device which you want to mirror your screen to. So once you select that device, your screen will mirror on your Mac operating system. This screen is mirrored on my Mac operating system. To stop the mirroring, once again, just swipe from top right corner on your iPhone and then once again click on the screen mirroring option, and then you just need to select this stop mirroring, and once you click on stop mirroring, you will come out of the screen mirroring on your iPhone and the screen mirroring will stop. Once the screen mirroring is stopped, you can also disable this AirPlay receiver, and you can enable it when you want to use the screen mirroring once again. You can also change the allow AirPlay setting from allow AirPlay for everyone to the current user, right? To be on the safer side. So that's it for this video. This is how you can mirror your iPhone wirelessly on your Mac operating system. I hope you've enjoyed this video and I will see you in the next video.